Hello, future international students. Are you dreaming of studying in Australia but unaware which course to choose? Don't worry, Postal Migration Services is here to guide you. In today's video, we will explore the best courses for international students in Australia for 2024. From emerging field to tried and true career paths, we will cover it all. So hit the subscribe button, follow Postal Migration Services, and let's dive into the video. Australia is a global hub of education, offering world-class universities, excellent career opportunities, and vibrant cultural experience. But how do you choose the right course? Let's kick things off and feel that's shaping the future. First, information technology and computer science. With tech industry booming, courses in IT, computer science, cybersecurity are among the hottest pick in 2024. Australia is a home to cutting-edge tech hubs, and universities like the University of Melbourne offer premier programs in artificial intelligence and machine learning. Imagine building the next groundbreaking app or safeguarding systems from cyber threats. These courses are your gateways. Pro tip from Postal Migration Services is that these fields often lead to jobs with Australia's skilled migration programs. So if you are tech savvy, this could be your golden ticket. Second, engineering. Engineering has always been a favorite among international students. Why? Because Australia's demand for engineers continue to grow across multiple disciplines, including civil and structural engineering, mechanical and automotive engineering, electric and electronic engineering, environmental and renewable energy engineering. Monash University and the University of Queensland are globally recognized for their engineering programs. What's even better, many of these courses include internships and co-opportunities that give you hand-on experience. Postal Migration Services can help you find the best options. Third, business and management. If climbing the corporate ladder in your dream, a dream in business or management is the way to go. Australia's universities excel in like MBA programs, Master of Business Administration, international business, marketing and digital strategy, entrepreneurship and innovation. Institutions like Melbourne Business School and Australia Graduate School of Management are globally recognized. With business degree, you will gain the skills needed to innovate and transform industries anywhere in the world. Fourth, health and medicine. Australia's healthcare sector is thriving and international students are flocking to course in nursing, public health, medical research, pharmacy. With an aging population and increasing in healthcare needs, these programs often lead to high demand jobs and also permanent residency pathways. Top universities like University of Sydney, Griffith University are paving the way advanced research and practical training. Reach out to Postal Migration Services for advice on healthcare careers in Australia. Fifth, hospitality and tourism management. Australia is one of the world's top tourist destinations, making it perfect place to study hospitality and tourism management. Some of the popular courses including hotel and event management, culinary arts, travel and tourism. These programs are hand-on and often include internships in world-class establishments. Institutions like Blue Mountains International Hotel Management Schools are the gold standards in this field. Sixth, education and teaching. Are you passionate about shaping the future? Australia's education sector is booming and growing demand for qualified teachers. In early childhood education, special education, teaching English to speakers of other languages. Teaching isn't just a career, it is calling. Many of these programs also provide pathways to permanent residency. Postal Migration Services is here to help you make it happen. Teaching isn't just a career, it is calling. Many of these programs also provide pathways to permanent residency. Seventh is environmental science and sustainability. With climate changes as a global priority, Australia leads the way in environmental science, marine biology, urban planning, and sustainability. Perfect of those passionate about making a difference. Study here, and you could be in the forefront of solving some of the world's biggest challenges. 8. Creative arts and design. Australia's creative industries are thriving. If you dream of expressing yourself through art, design, or media, or consider courses in film and media production, graphic design, animation and game design, fine art. At universities like RMIT and University of Technology Sydney, you will find the perfect environment to unleash your creativity. So there you have it. The best course in Australia for international students in 2024. Whether you are tech savvy, business minded, or creatively inspired, there is a program waiting for you in Australia. As you plan your journey, remember to carefully research universities, course fees, and visa requirements to ensure a smooth transition. This video gave you a valuable insight. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Postal Migration Services for the latest tips around the world. Got questions or need guidance? Drop them in comment below, and our team will be delighted to assist you. Good luck with your study journey, and we will see you in the next video. Your success is our mission at Postal Migration Services. Thanks for watching.